As Diwali approaches in these uncertain times, it encourages us to remember that there will always be light at the end of the tunnel and good will ultimately triumph over evil. After months of troubling news, isolation, and big changes, we finally have something to look forward to, a day of joy, light, togetherness, and hope. Hope for a better tomorrow. And if there's one thing we've all wished during these dark times, it's a better tomorrow. So, this festival of lights, let's take the opportunity to observe our collective responsibility for being the change we wish to see and our collective role in bringing forth this better tomorrow.
Spread your inner light. The crackers we fire at night will only make it harder to breathe for the respiratory patients who come in the morning. Spread your inner light. Be the light for those around you. Light a diya for a neighbor who's away from his family. Distribute sweets to the elders whose children couldn't make it home. Buy our lamps from the local artisans. Show them the support they need from us and thank them for decorating our lives in a beautiful way.
We need to protect the air the way we protect ourselves. We need to inhabit the environment the way we inhabit ourselves. Don't contribute to the pollution, especially in the year 2020, where the whole year has been learning and trying to how to heal.
As we celebrate the triumph of light over darkness, let us celebrate the victory of knowledge over ignorance. And what really is knowledge if not the capacity to act? Act on your awareness this holiday and convince those around you to celebrate a conscious Diwali.
As you spread wishes of prosperity and health amongst your family and friends, wish for the prosperity of nation and health of the planet as well. So guys, don't burst crackers.
At the beginning of the lockdown, we all marveled at viral photos of animals encroaching into urban spaces. And we all took a moment to acknowledge the truth that we had conveniently learned to ignore, someone somewhere along the way. This planet belongs to us all. We share this planet with marvelous species. Respect the fauna of your local environments. Don't burst crackers that can cause shock, fear, accidents, and pain for thousands of birds, dogs, pets, and other animals.
The earth and its people have suffered enough. Let's make this Diwali about healing and remember, be the light.
From burning crackers to burning souls, we need to stop such nuisance goals. Diwali is the festival of lights. Let's spread this message with happiness, fervor, and delight. Pollution-free Diwali brings everyone Kushali. Wish you a happy Diwali.
And pollution-free Diwali brings everywhere Khushhali. So I wish you happy Diwali.
Pollution-free Diwali brings everywhere Kushali. So wishing you all a very happy Diwali.
Pollution free Diwali will bring everywhere Khushhali. Happy Diwali to all.
Conscious Diwali. Because pollution free Diwali brings everywhere Khushali. Wishing you a very, very happy Diwali.
Pollution-free Diwali brings Khushali. Wish you a happy Diwali.
A pollutionless Diwali is a happy Diwali. Wishing you and your family a very happy Diwali.
Pollution free Diwali brings everyone Khushhali. I wish everyone a happy Diwali.